How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Chevy. Hey, so I'm just doing a follow-up right now on Chevy Grill. A lot of you guys, there's a lot of following for this light-up Chevy Grill. More than I ever thought. I appreciate it. I love it. It's awesome. I drive a Ford, but it's still awesome. Anyways, so we did another one here in the shop. I just want to show you how I'm doing them right now. This is just a little update here, a 2023 update. All right, what we've done is this panel is now one piece. I've got a nice, flexible, 1/4-inch ABS panel, one piece. The lights are mounted from the face. They're wired in the back like this. You can see how we heat shrink everything. This is a combination of some small areas of black hot melt adhesive from a hot glue gun, from an industrial hot glue gun, this Aero industrial hot glue gun with the black right there. That's what I was using. And it's good with plastic. However, I did also paint in a nice layer of silicone RTV sealant, because the black plastic sometimes can pop loose. So the hot glue is to hold it temporarily. The RTV is to seal it all in there permanently. All right, it's a fairly easy process. The panel drops right in. There's a little bit of filing, some little nubbies you want to file down to let it drop in. And now, the next generation, I think I showed this in my other video, we now have these headlight connectors in stock, ready to go. And for all you Chevy guys, I am now going to be making the panels. I'm going to go ahead and shout out to eTrailer, by the way. That's where I get these lights. It's just a trailer light. It's nothing super complicated. There's 9 lights per unit. I'm going to be mounting them. I'll have the panel made. I'll have all the wiring done. Basically, sorry about the shaky cam. Basically, you're going to be able to purchase this as a completed unit with the plug. The plug's going to go right up here. It's going to plug into that headlight right there. Just unplug the headlight, plug that plug in, and it's going to turn on that illuminated grill every time the parking lights are on. Stay tuned and I'll show you a final video once I put all this back together. Comes apart fairly easy. I don't actually take off the pork chops on the side. You don't need to. You can pull them back enough to get the grill in and out, but if you want to take them all the way off, that's on you. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the final result. All right, everybody, the Chevy is done. Let me show you. This is just about that Chevrolet backlit grill we build. Yes, I sell it as a kit. Yes, I've got a lot of videos documenting how we do it. Yes, it's plug and play.